Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to contact support directly from the Mondly app on your phone if you need help with a problem or have a question about your account or lessons. First, open the Mondly app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the profile icon. Then, click on the settings icon located at the top left corner. After that, scroll down through the settings options until you find the section called Support Center. Tap on Support Center to open the help page inside the app. Next, tap on the option that says Get Help with an Issue so you can contact the Mondly support team. Then choose the email app you want to use to send your message, such as Gmail or Outlook. After selecting your email app, write the message describing the issue or question you have. Finally, tap the Send button to deliver your message to the Mondly support team. They will review your request and reply to your email with help or instructions. Thanks for watching.